Everybody went pee?
Yes, we did.
So y'all ready for this?
Yeah.
Y'all ready to freeze your butts off?
No.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna freeze my butt.
A few moments later.
What's wrong?
I have to freeze because we went to the snow. There's snow, and now my foot is also a little freeze.
Your feet are frozen?
Yeah, a little.
Well, ready or not, we're going into the storm. So
Ready?
Let's go!
good morning, y'all. Look at this. How beautiful is this? So it's snowing. This is out back, the view that we have from the back of our apartment. And this is our back porch. Yeah, I have some old furniture outside, a chair and like pieces of my old bed. So they're buried in snow. And I have a table out here with chairs. It's completely covered in snow. A basket filled with snow. And look, like the door is jammed. Like even if we wanted to open it, we can't get out because we can't push the door open. But yeah, we're not stuck inside. This is just the back door. So it's currently still snowing. And we want to go outside to have some fun in the snow. But I don't know, man. Black folks and ice don't mix. But we'll see. It should be fun. We want to build a snowman. So hopefully we have like a good time outside in the snow and not like freeze off completely. I have my cards or nothing, right?
We ain't going in no shop?
No. ID in case the police stop us?
Who stop us for a while?
I don't know, because we black. Why else? Can we even get out?
Don't forget the... Oh!
Can we even get...
There's a lot of wind still.
Yeah.
Let's go. It's cold. I can't do this. I can't do this. It's too cold.
Really?
It's too cold.
Girl, you checking in out? You ain't even left the house yet?
I feel it from here.
Damn. Stepping right out of the hallway. Look at this. Bro. Oh. No. 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 I'm not doing this. Hell no. What? The wind is like super strong. What is this? The window. Oh no, I'm gonna be tearing up. Oh, this is so beautiful for like 5 minutes. Oh, it's a mountain.
Oh.
It is. Watch out for the The camera. It can't be two of y'all attacking me. You don't want to play snowball?
Yeah, but get away.
This shit is so amazing, man.
You alright?
Mom,
I'm tearing all the way up.
You enjoying your show? Oh.
Whoa!
You want to make a snow angel?
Yeah.
Come.
Like right here where it's flat.
Wait, don't step on it.
Don't step on it. Yeah, there we go.
Right on.
On your back.
Yeah. Yay! She did so well.
Yeah.
Stand up, let's see your angel.
Wait, don't mess it up, baby.
Oh, that's a pretty angel.
Mom, now it's time for your turn.
My turn.
Your turn.
My turn. Oh my god.
Go. Go for that angel. You can do it, Mom. You can do it, Mom. You are gonna be okay.
People watching us like, are you this guy serious right now?
Should not hold me.
Should not. Yes, big ass snow angel. Woo! Isn't it cold down there? Do you need help?
Not that cold.
Wait,
Okay,
wait.
You need to come closer.
Chanel,
I
can you
can't get
hold
up.
this? Can you hold this like this?
And I'm trying not to mess up the angel.
I know.
Wow.
Look at her
Look like
snow
my
angel.
butt print in there. Okay. Oh, look how beautiful this is. This is really beautiful. We can walk through here to go to the parking lot as well.
Whoa. Mom, you see this?
Should not be careful.
Whoa.
Oh no, get up.
She wants to crawl.
I don't know what she's thinking.
This is fun.
Yeah.
Mom, you see this sport?
Chanel?
Yeah.
Chanel?
Mom.
Don't. Girl, stop it. Stop it. Okay, Chanel, I'm done. I'm done.
Well, don't do it by me then.
Ain't nobody ask you nothing.
Mom, come here.
No, don't go there. That's people's yard.
Okay.
Hi, girl.
Hi.
You enjoying your first real snow?
Yes.
Living in the
It's
Netherlands.
cold as hell, but
It's super
it's
cold.
amazing, man. At least one time in everyone's life.
Right?
Yeah.
I agree. One time is enough. After that, give me the beach.
It's okay, yes.
How do we build a snowman anyway?
No idea.
Oh gosh.
I've never been in snow in my life. This is the first time I've been in snow. So,
I never built.
you.
I never built a snowman.
Really?
No.
No,
Really?
Why?
Why?
Mom, I did build a snowman when I was in school.
Okay, so we're gonna build a snowman.
Ja, ik weet het. Ik weet hoe het moet. Je moet zo'n cirkel maken en nog een cirkel en nog een cirkel. En dan moet je ogen en zo'n knoopjes
How do you
en dan
create
een
a
neus.
circle? How do you create?
Chanel is teaching us how to make a snowman. We
Yeah.
bought carrots for the nose.
Yeah,
We
so
didn't bring a scarf for the snowman.
I use my scarf this time.
Wow. Okay.
well, I have my scarf.
Yeah. So how do we make it?
We have to make another rondje and another rondje and another rondje.
How do we make the first rondje?
We need to make a big one, right?
Yeah.
So that's I don't know.
Not really big.
We're gonna make. I think we should just like pile the snow up.
Yeah, but I need to look at you how you do it, okay?
But you need to
You need
help
to
us.
help, girl. Okay, show us then. Show us how it's done. We don't know.
Man, je moet zo een rondje maken, like roll it. Like roll. Like een rondje.
That's what we're trying to do.
It's just missing the flag.
Bro, look. Ain't nobody got time, right? Ain't nobody got time, so we're gonna call it George.
Building a snowman fail. Wow!
There we go. That's our snowman. Boom, bam.
Excuse me?
Prettiest snowman ever.
What is this?
It's
Mom,
a
this
snowman.
is not a snowman.
Looks like a snowman to me.
How?
How? Look, it's so small.
It's Olaf. This is Olaf. I just built Olaf.
Nah. Well, also really look like that, like a hole. I'm just gonna break that thing.
Come, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Did y'all just kill the snowman?
This is not the snowman.
This is a disgrace to all
Y'all
snowmen
some
that have
hate.
been
You
in
really want to play
existence.
that game, girl? You really want to play that game? This is your first time, so enjoy it. You know we ain't coming back
My
out in
face
this.
It's freezing off, man.
You have to experience
Like,
having one frozen body part.
no, my hands is freezing just now.
Mm-hmm.
And now my face, I can't even. Okay, you know, like when you go to the dentist and they numb your freaking face?
Yeah.
That's how I feel.
Yeah, that's how my ears feel right now. So you're doing like a favor to these people, because when they come to their car, they don't have to scrape off the snow themselves. They should pay you for this. This is satisfying though.
You can help me.
This is pretty satisfying.
I'm going home.
Nah.
You ain't going home. Well, you can go home, you can't get in. So go home.
I'll stay at wait for you guys on the stairs.
Okay. You'll freeze your ass off there though, I can tell you. It's not that warm in there. Bye. Come, Shana, we're going to the park.
Bye.
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 Wait for me, little head.
Lily doesn't want to go. Lily wants to go home. That's what happens when you want to go home. See? If you only walk this way, that wouldn't happen. Come with us.
If you don't come, you're just going alone. Bye bye. Watch out for food. Mom, come
Ah.
here.
Okay, this is scary. Because I don't know how deep this thing is. And then it's like... I'm falling.
I'm gonna die. I can't.
Careful there, girl. I told you it's deep. You okay?
No. Ah, my finger hurt.
Okay, we're
My pinky don't want to go inside my glove.
It's stiff.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, home time now. I'm freaking freezing. Shana, we're going home.
I'm gonna take footsteps.
Girl! Are you okay? Girl! You just bust your ass. What the hell? How the hell you fall?
I slept.
Girl, I just heard badoosh. Get up, can you get up? Damn, girl. You okay? Wow. Chanel, let's go, girl.
Do not put that up.
That shit going up, up. Up on charge. Yes. Chanel, let's go. That shit is going up. What's he talking about? Let me see your face. You just bust your ass. How do you feel? What's wrong?
My under freeze because we went to the snow. There's snow, and now my foot is also a little freeze.
Your feet are frozen?
Yeah, a little.
And you're sad?
Yes, because I don't want to go to snow, but I like snow, and now I can't go there because snow is gonna make me freeze.
So you don't want to go in the snow anymore?
No, because I'm gonna get freeze there if we go there all together.
Oh, poor baby. Don't cry. It's working? What do you want to do now?
Gonna watch a movie.
You want to watch a movie? Okay.
He just told me that.
You can watch a movie.
Can we have popcorn then?
We can have popcorn. Want to say bye to everyone?
Yeah. Bye bye. Don't forget the channel. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. Did you like? Did you subscribe? Don't forget to share.